In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task to someone in Monday.com. If you're managing a project board and want to make sure everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for, assigning tasks properly is one of the most important things you can do. In Monday.com, this process is simple once you know where to click. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can follow along with confidence. To begin, open your Monday.com board. This should be the board where your project, workflow, or task list is already set up. Once you're inside the correct board, take a moment to look through the items listed there and find the specific task you want to assign. This could be a new task that hasn't been given to anyone yet, or an existing item that now needs an owner. After you've found the task, check whether your board already has a people column. This is the column used to assign ownership to a team member. If you don't see one, go ahead and add a people column to the board. This is an important step because without it, you won't have a place to assign the task directly. Make sure the column is added in a position that makes sense for your workflow so it's easy to see who owns each item. Once the people column is available, click the people cell next to the task you want to assign. This will open the assignment options for that item. From there, select the team member who should be responsible for completing the task. Be sure to choose the correct person, especially if several team members have similar roles. Assigning the right owner helps avoid confusion and keeps accountability clear across the board. If needed, you can also add a due date or update the status at this stage. Adding a due date helps the assignee understand the expected timeline, while a status update can show whether the task is just starting, already in progress, or waiting on something else. These details are optional, but they can make the board much more useful and easier for the whole team to track. Finally, save your changes if your setup requires it and confirm that the task is assigned correctly. Double check that the right person appears in the people column and that any due date or status information looks accurate. Once that's done, the task is officially assigned and your board is more organized, clearer, and easier for everyone to work with.